Hi folks, how are you all doing today? So it's time for us to learn about Pong game. Okay, I hope you might have heard about this Pong game, and maybe you might have played this game too. Okay, so let's see how to quickly create a small Pong game, right? With Scratch. Okay, so we're gonna use very less number of sprites, and we're gonna create a basic Pong game. Okay, so yeah, for today it's all about Pong game and let's get started with backdrops. Okay, so I'm choosing a backdrop. Let's get, I think I'll just get this plain backdrop. Okay, and then let's get sprite. We will be needing a ball sprite. So I'm getting a ball and then I would choose costumes of ball. Okay, monochromatic. Okay, so let's get a paddle. I think I would search for a paddle, and yeah, so I'll just bring the paddle down and I will add another sprite called as line. You have a line sprite available in Scratch library, you can absolutely use it. So yeah, let's drag it down like a base. Okay, so that's it, right? It's like a base in the bottom. Perfect. We have all the sprites and we are good to go, and we can start off with the bouncing thing, right? So basically, in the Pong game, what happens is you all know. So ball should be bouncing, and whenever it touches the paddle, it has to bounce back, right? So, and your paddle should be moving left and right. Okay. So, yeah, that's pretty much it, right? Let's quickly see. So, let's code paddle first. Paddle is very simple, right? When green flag is clicked, we would want to do something forever. Okay. So, forever. And let's say when I move my mouse left and right, and based on my mouse position, this also has to move. Okay. So we have go to XY. Let's uh, let's set Y as a constant value only. So let it be like that. And then we will be needing mouse X. So mouse X basically will make it follow the mouse. So wherever my mouse goes, it follows there. Only in terms of X position, but not in terms of Y position. Okay. So our paddle is ready for the game, right? So we have the paddle ready. Okay, and the our code blocks are also ready. So go to XY, we already know to set the position of any sprite, we use go to XY. And if I'm using mouse X and within forever, so obviously it will just follow my mouse. Wherever my mouse goes, it just follows that. So mouse X is a predefined variable over here in Scratch, and we're directly using that. Y value, it should be constant always, right? So I'm not touching Y value over here, okay? And then ball. So ball has to just bounce, isn't it? So that means when green flag clicked, so I would say something has to happen forever if touching paddle, right? So if touching paddle, so before touching paddle, it just has to move some number of steps, isn't it? Let's say move 15 steps, okay? And point in direction. Let's say point in direction, something like this. Okay. So point in direction 45, move 15 steps. If touching paddle, so then it just has to bounce back again, isn't it? So to bounce back again, it's pretty simple. We can just turn right by 180 degrees for a complete shift. right? So let's say turn right by 180 degrees and then move 15 steps. Okay. This is to just bounce back ball, right? Let's check what happens so far and we'll again change it if there are anything needed. Oh, so we haven't put this if on edge bounce, so it's just going outside the thing. Let's say if on edge bounce. Okay. Wow, cool. Whenever it touches the paddle, it just bounces back. I think we should be giving the change in this direction thing, right? So let's say turn right by 180 is like completely turning it, but I would say pick random, okay, from 140 to 180, let's suppose. Okay, now let's see what happens. Yeah, at least it is, changing the direction and it is doing something, right? Cool. So this is doing the thing, whatever we wanted. Yes, it is happening, and we have a Pong game successfully almost done. Not the exact thing is done, right? So this is there, okay. And whenever ball touches the line, right, then we would want to like end the game, right? So we'll say in ball if touching, let's suppose if touching line, then stop all, broadcast game over and stop all. Broadcast game over and stop all. Okay. So when I receive game over, hide. I would just hide this thing. Okay. And when I receive game over, hide this thing also. So when I receive game over, hide. And when green flag clicked, show. So when green flag clicked, show. And on the wall, when green flag clicked, show. And when I receive game over, hide. Right? So let's hide it. Okay. And let's create this thing called as game over. So let's go to patterns. I would use this thing. Oh, wait. We have to go to costumes, isn't it? Let's type text with a red color, a bright red color. Game over. And then I would use pixel. And then let's increase the size. This is cool. Yeah, it's good. Um, okay, fine. And then, like in ball, I hope in ball we were doing this thing. So yeah, here we can say switch backdrop. If touching line, switch backdrop to circles. Okay. And now Maybe we can also add score, right? If touching paddle, we can just add score. So let's rename this variable as score. Okay, right. And set score to 0 always. And change score by 1 if it touches the paddle, right? Let's see what all is happening. Okay, switching backdrop is not done yet. So switch backdrop to blue sky 2. Okay. So whenever it starts the game, I should switch backdrop to blue sky 2. And if it is touching paddle, it has to increase the score and it also has to show the score. We aren't showing it, so let's show it. Oh wow, it got 10. Cool. So, yes, cool. This is working very much fine. Absolutely fine. Right? When it touches the line, it just says game over. Okay. And yeah, it always starts off score with 0. So, yeah, whatever we wanted is happening. Right? That is there. And on paddle, this is the thing. Online, this is it. Okay. So wow, we could actually create a Pong game in a very short span, right? This was a very quick Pong game we have created, and like you can see, it's quite simple, right? It's a basic Pong game which has the basic features in it. Right from the beginning till the end, we could complete in this very short span. I'm really glad that we could do it so quickly, right? So this is all about the Pong game, and if you still have any questions or concerns, you can do let me know in the comment section below. So this was all about our today's session. I hope you enjoyed this session and you got to understand how to create a small Pong game, right? So if you have anything else to add, you can definitely let me know. Okay, you can add color effects and all. That's all up to you. You can change the costumes forever for the ball. That's also up to you. If you want to if you want me to show it, let's just get when green flag clicked. I would say forever, right? Next costume, and then wait 1 second. So for every second, it would change the costume now. Okay, so let's click on green flag. Ah, fine. You can see now ball is in different colors, right? If you want a disco kind of effect, then you can say 0.3 seconds. For every 0.3 seconds, it is changing the color. Okay, I think this is good. Cool. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, so that's about it, right? You can just say next costume and wait 0.53 seconds forever. So it will change the costume again and again, again and again, right? Let's see if paddle also has the similar thing. No, it doesn't have, right? So if you want to change, like you can definitely change the color. Like just click on the shape, choose the color, whatever you want to. So let's suppose you want a red color. Okay, that is possible, right? And then you just want a red color. Cool. You got a red color paddle now. Okay. So duplicate it, change it to some other color now. So let's say yellow color. Cool. Red. Okay. I did not click on the shape, so yeah, this is fine. And on this, a little darker shade of yellow. On this, a little lighter shade of yellow. That's it. You got three colors now, right? So let's go to code, and you can absolutely do the similar kind of a thing over here, right? So we'll need forever. Then when green flag clicked, forever, show next costume and wait 0.3 seconds. Wait 0.3 seconds. Cool. See? Whoa. That's it. Nice, isn't it? So this is all about the Pong game. Whatever effect you want to add, you can definitely add it, right? So this is a very simple Pong game we have created today, and I would be meeting you all in the next session again. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Folks Up. Bye bye, guys. Have a great day. All link will be given in the description box below to check that out. You can remix that and you can add more features. Bye bye, and have a great day.